Vlogmas day 3. I'm off today, and Jess asked me to take the goats out. It was too cold this morning when she left for work, but it's warmed up a bit, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay. Watch Freddie and Spunky for me, will ya? Okay, so since last Vlogmas, we added Spunky the Screamer to our herd. Where is his jacket? My mother-in-law said to put his coat on. I don't know where it is. Where's your coat? Alright. If you remember from last year, this is Freddie's coat, but it fits Spunky now. No idea if it fits Freddie, but it fits Spunky, so. Okay. Actually, I'm going to bring this separately because it's going to be a handful walking them together. So I'll come get you in just a minute here. What is it, Jenny? Jenny, go ahead. You go first. No, Jenny. Okay. All right. There we go. You happy about your kids, Jenny? Yeah. You love your kids? It is Vlogmas day 4. I said the 3rd, but it is
day 4. It's the 3rd day that I've filmed. Math is not my thing. So we have a lot of days to catch up on because I've only done 1. So we've got 2 right here. What are you? Aww, 2 is a Santa face. Look at how cute is that. Here is number 3. Oh no, I broke it. What were you supposed to be? Oh, a snowman! Oh my god. I love this. So last year, if you remember, the chocolates were all different. There were different flavors, different fillings. I am loving the different like shapes this year. They're all basic milk chocolates, but they all have such cute shapes. And then 4 is right here to be fully caught up. What are you? Are you another Santa? Oh, another snowman! My mother-in-law helped me wrap Jess's presents this morning. I think they turned out great. And I also put little clues on all of the stickers so that I remember what's in each one. So like, this one makes no sense, but I know what's in there now. So that way, when it's chaotic on Christmas morning, and we're handing out the presents, I can go, oh yes, I remember what this one is, and I won't be shocked when she opens it. Not that there's like a certain order or anything, but that way I just know like, okay, this box is this, and then I'm not like, where's this item? You know what I mean? I won't lose anything. Because I know what's in every box, because I gave myself little clues. Uh-oh. Are you all fresh and clean for Christmas?
The goats are out.
6.5 hours later.
Hi, boys. The goats are safely inside, but as you can see here, the gate is still latched. So I did not fuck up this morning when I took them out. Instead, they escaped through that. Let me see if I can get a better video. Do you see where it's opened? Yeah. Good times. And then this young lady broke a board. So we gotta fix that. Never ends when you live on a farm.